If you want to record your screen on your iPhone, there's a built-in feature that makes it super easy, and you don't need any extra apps. First, swipe down from the top right corner of your screen to open the Control Center. Here, look for the Screen Recording button. It looks like a circle inside another circle. If you see it, just tap it. You'll get a quick 3-second countdown, and your screen recording will start. While recording, you'll see a red indicator at the top of your screen. To stop recording, you can tap that red bar and hit stop, or go back to the Control Center and tap the Screen Recording button again. Now, if you don't see the screen recording option in your Control Center, here's how to add it. Go to Settings, scroll down and tap Control Center. Then find Screen Recording and tap the plus icon next to it. Once added, it will appear in your Control Center. Also, quick tip: if you want to record your voice while screen recording, press and hold the screen recording button, then turn the microphone on before starting. And that's it. Your recording will automatically be saved in your Photos app, where you can edit or share it.